Alrighty, got the light fixture, and I bought this from, I don't know where. Put the link in the description, and it looks pretty easy to set up. So, it does come with a light bulb, which is nice. The extension arm thing. Oh, that's nice. Looks like it comes with 2 plates, or maybe, oh, it looks like one sits on top of the other. So we're doing this first, and then we're doing this, this. Here we go. Ooh. Have the best install, but you like it?
Yeah.
It can also turn like this way too. I felt like it might be like a little bit low for that. I don't know. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. What do you think?
I like it. It's nice.
Alrighty, we're putting in the light up there. And I bought this from, I'll put it in the link, or I'll put it in the description. First thing you gotta do is turn off the electricity, and then we can start installing it. So let me go turn it off. Alrighty, electricity is off. I just flipped the camera around because the lighting's better on this side. But I haven't done this exact fixture before. So we'll try to figure it out together. Well, really it's just me doing it. But it's gold. Goes with the rest of the bathroom. It's a little bit more gold than the rest of the bathroom, but that's okay. Okay, first step is we're undoing this little nut through the chassis. Then you stick it the nut back through. And then you do this to 2 other ones, so let's jump ahead. Alrighty, I got this situated, so now it's lined up. These will pass like over each other if you want to like intermingle them, I guess under, so you can like, you know, make them look cool like that, or you can, you know, twist it more, stuff like that. Alright, so black goes with all black, even though there's 2, 4, 6. There's 2 on each, 2 black, 2 white on each, and then all those connect together, and then they can give you this black and white one to connect in, and then that will connect to the power. Alrighty, and next up we have some shelves. So we're gonna be putting some shelves in here. They're gonna be pretty basic. I think I'm gonna do 1 top, 2, 3, 4, enough room for the laundry basket. So 4 shelves. Let's get it. get the last two done. Alrighty, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we do the faceplate for them. And if you're wondering, this is 3/4 plywood with an inch trim primed. You could use something else if you want, but we'll put the face trim on, and I think that's 3-inch primed wood or something like that. So let's get those in. What are you doing? We gotta get your first YouTube video up, buddy. So I'm putting up this essential oils rack holder here that I built. It's rather simple and it's wood colored, so I'm wondering if I should leave it there, that color, or change it. Could be kind of weird with that and the gold. I don't know, let me know in the comments, but I do have a video on how I built this. Go check that out after this video, and let's put it together. Or let's hang it. So that concludes this video. We got the lighting in, we got the towel rack, the shelves, the toilet paper roll holder, even though I didn't show it, essential oil shelf, the mirrors, which were really easy to install as well. But that leaves us with just the final reveal video to do, which will come out in a couple days. So if you're watching this, go check that out. Or go check out some of my other videos. Either way, thanks for stopping by. I'll see y'all out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Alrighty.